Here we have task content duplication. So let's do the training. As you can see, here is the first one entity, and there are three option 1, 2, and 3. What we need to do, we need to check the duplication. So if you did the first one, Brow most delicious dish is coming back, and if you read the second one, the top all-star has been from Food Wing 20, and if you read the third one, the show has snapped multiple span of series. So the first one is about show, but they are coming back, and there are 17 seasons. So and the second one is about food. So first one and second are different from each other, and the third one is the show, but they are not 17 series. So all of these three are different from each other. So we will select none of the above, and the second one is also none of the above, and the third one is also none of the above. Scroll down to the second one. Here is the entity, and if you don't understand, just check the length 1 second and third and understand. But if you read the first one, there was gain uh, recognition for Wuma, and the second one is also about for Wuma, and the third one is also about for Wuma. So we need to select all of the options are related with each other. Therefore, we will select first and two tag. First one is just like second, so we select first and third. And in the second, we select first and third because all three are like. So and in the third one is also we select that 1 and 2. So both these are related with each other. Then scroll down to the third one. Here is layer structure, but if you read all these three options, and the first one is the layer structure about history when they come, and in the second one it is talking about the arrangement of electron, and the third one it is talking about the ion. So all these three things, all these three options are different from each other. It is about the same thing, one thing, but in different ways. So we will select none of the above, none of the above, and the third one is also none of the above, and submit. So here is the second task. If you read the first one, and the first entity, Janika for trick network is career earning, so it is about the earning. And if you read the second one, she is the first female ever to win a lady car race. And if you read the third one, well-known victory was the President Japan, the most novelty when woman in the car race. So it is about car, and this is also about car race. And the first one is about the earning. So we will, the first one is none of the above, select, and in the third one, the second one and the third one are related with each other. So in the second we select pack 3, in the third one we select pack 2, and scroll down to the second one. If you read this one, so all the three options are different from each other. So we will select none of the above, and the second is also none of the above, and the third one is also none of the above. Scroll down to the third one. Here is about the temple of Athena Poronia. So if you read the first one, it is about the history of the temple, and if you read the second one, the first temple dedicated to Athena was, and the third one is also about the first temple. So the second and third option are related to each other. So in the second we select the third because third is related to the second, and in the third we select the second because it is related to the first one, and submit.